This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. You will need one west block and one north block to finish this puzzle. Oh, kind of a hint. Oh, wow. Okay, so we only have one block on the workspace. Yep, and we can only use 7. So like I always do, it really helps me understand something if I just start putting blocks down. Okay, so let me go west and pick corn. Let's make sure that's the right direction. Yep, and I'm going to break the rules. Notice it has a 1 here. I'm just testing right now, so I'm just going to put down what I need because it helps me understand. So let's see what that does. Yep, and then reset. And I'm not even sure if this is too many, but that's okay, because you can always be wrong a bunch in code to test. Oh, and I didn't run into the wall. Yep, great. So that's enough. Now notice, I'm already using 11 blocks, way too many. We are only supposed to use 7, and I'm only supposed to use west once. But look, we have a pattern. West, pick, west, pick, west, pick, west, pick. We're repeating ourselves. How many times? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Hey, wait a minute. Here's a repeat block. And we could repeat code 5 times right here. So any code in this will repeat 5 times. Let me reset and watch. Step, pick. We hit the bottom and it's going to go zoop. Second time through, step, pick, hits the bottom, zoop. Third time through until we have 5. Let's make sure this is right. And then once this is done running, if we have any code below it, it will run. So let me try north and pick, north and pick. And again, I know I'm using too many norths. I'm just testing things out right now. Okay, and I would need to pick that. So let me reset here. But look, we have another pattern. And if there's a pattern, we are repeating ourselves once, twice, 3 times. Repeat. Zoop. And let me get rid of that and that. I can just change this by clicking to a 3. And now I can put this right here. So what will first happen is we're going to go west and pick corn 5 times in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When this is done, after 5 times, it's going to drop below and run the next block. Oh, I need to go through this 3 times. I'll go north and pick, zoop. Second time, north pick, and that should get us there. We did it. Awesome.